Oh. Yum.
We'll get that badass chicken on there, right?
Right.
Man, Jackie's gonna love this.
What, the video?
The food. And Jana's gonna be really mad
Why?
because she doesn't have any.
Who's Jana?
You know Jana. You've seen her before.
What, at the party when Mom and Papa were out?
Yep.
Like at the beach or somewhere?
Yeah, at the beach or somewhere.
They are really hot. My hand's getting hot myself.
We'll back up a little bit.
Oh, that fell apart. Is that okay?
That's how it's supposed to do. If you don't do it like that, it just all comes apart.
Now this is what you call a barbecue.
That's right.
That's where we're putting the chicken and ribs. No, that's really good. I don't want all that. It's fine. That's really good.
Face up.
Whoa!
Back up. What I say?
Then you can't see it clear. That looks yummy. Now we're cooking shrimp.
Scallops.
Scallops, I mean.
Stay out here, keep an eye on scallops for me.
Okay. Are you going to be right out?
Like that.
Okay.
Open the door.
Yum. Now scallops are good. So is all this. You need to come to this house and get some barbecue. It is really good. Call my Uncle Michael and you'll find out where to come. Now scallops are really good. They, like when you grill them, they're awesome. You need to be a good cook to make these.
Kayla,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Keep an eye on the scallops Uncle Michael. Uncle Michael told me to. Have a nice look. Isn't that side hot? Why did you put it down and then put it back up?
Because the things didn't grab it, and I'm sorry, they're no big deal.
What do scallops taste like?
Heaven.
And I don't think I tried them before. Yummy.